Do you like tea?
Bạn có thích trà không?
Do you like tea?
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea. Yes, I like tea.
Yes, I like coffee. Yes, I like coffee.
Yes, I drink tea. Yes, I drink tea.
Vâng, tôi thích trà.
Yes, I like tea. Yes, I like tea. Is he your brother?
Anh ấy là anh, em bạn không?
Is he your brother?
Is he your brother?
Yes, he is. Yes, he is.
Yes, he brother. Yes, he brother.
Yes, he my brother. Yes, he my brother.
Vâng, đúng vậy.
Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Is she your teacher?
Cô ấy là giáo viên bạn không?
Is she your teacher?
Is she your teacher?
Yes, she is. Yes, she is.
Yes, she teacher. Yes, she teacher.
Yes, she a teacher. Yes, she a teacher.
Vâng, đúng vậy.
Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Is it hot today?
Hôm nay có nóng không?
Is it hot today?
Is it hot today?
Yes, it is hot. Yes, it is hot.
Yes, it hot. Yes, it hot.
Yes, hot today. Yes, hot today.
Vâng, hôm nay nóng.
Yes, it is hot. Yes, it is hot. Do you work today?
Hôm nay bạn có đi làm không?
Do you work today?
Do you work today?
Yes, I work. Yes, I work.
Yes, I am work. Yes, I am work.
Yes, I working. Yes, I working.
Vâng, tôi đi làm.
Yes, I work. Yes, I work. Where's the toilet?
Nhà vệ sinh ở đâu?
Where is the toilet?
Where is the toilet?
It is over there. It is over there.
I am there. I am there.
There is toilet. There is toilet.
Nó ở đằng kia.
It is over there. It is over there.
Chúng ta hãy nghe lại.
Do you like tea? Yes, I like tea.
Is he your brother? Yes, he is.
Is she your teacher? Yes, she is.
Is it hot today? Yes, it is hot.
Do you work today? Yes, I work.
Where is the toilet? It is over there.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Bạn ăn gì cho bữa sáng?
What do you eat for breakfast?
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat rice. I eat rice.
I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast.
I eat rice for breakfast. I eat rice for breakfast.
Tôi ăn cơm buổi sáng.
I eat rice for breakfast. I eat rice for breakfast. Is there a market near here?
Gần đây có chợ không?
Is there a market near here?
Is there a market near here?
Yes, there is. Yes, there is.
Yes, it is market. Yes, it is market.
Yes, have market. Yes, have market.
Yes, there is. Yes, there is. What is your favorite color?
Màu bạn thích là gì?
What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue.
I like color. I like color.
My color blue. My color blue.
Màu tôi thích là xanh.
My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Do you have a pen?
Bạn có cây bút không?
Do you have a pen?
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have a pen. Yes, I have a pen.
Yes, I have pen. Yes, I have pen.
Yes, I am a pen. Yes, I am a pen.
Vâng, tôi có bút.
Yes, I have a pen. Yes, I have a pen. Where's your bag?
Cặp của bạn ở đâu?
Where is your bag?
Where is your bag?
My bag is on the table. My bag is on the table.
My bag on table. My bag on table.
My bag are there. My bag are there.
Cặp tôi ở trên bàn.
My bag is on the table. My bag is on the table. What does he do?
Anh ấy làm nghề gì?
What does he do?
What does he do?
He is a doctor. He is a doctor.
He do doctor. He do doctor.
He works doctor. He works doctor.
Anh ấy là bác sĩ.
He is a doctor. He is a doctor.
Chúng ta hãy nghe lại.
What do you eat for breakfast? I eat rice for breakfast.
Is there a market near here? Yes, there is.
What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue.
Do you have a pen? Yes, I have a pen.
Where is your bag? My bag is on the table.
What does he do? He is a doctor.
Does she like coffee?
Cô ấy có thích cà phê không?
Does she like coffee?
Does she like coffee?
Yes, she likes coffee. Yes, she likes coffee.
Yes, she like coffee. Yes, she like coffee.
Yes, she drink coffee. Yes, she drink coffee.
Vâng, cô ấy thích cà phê.
Yes, she likes coffee. Yes, she likes coffee. Are you busy now?
Bây giờ bạn có bận không?
Are you busy now?
Are you busy now?
Yes, I am busy. Yes, I am busy.
Yes, I busy. Yes, I busy.
Yes, I am bus. Yes, I am bus.
Vâng, tôi bận.
Yes, I am busy. Yes, I am busy. What is he doing?
Anh ấy đang làm gì?
What is he doing?
What is he doing?
He is reading. He is reading.
He read a book. He read a book.
He has read book. He has read book.
Anh ấy đang đọc.
He is reading. He is reading. Is your house big?
Nhà bạn có lớn không?
Is your house big?
Is your house big?
Yes, it is big. Yes, it is big.
Yes, it big. Yes, it big.
Yes is big. Yes is big.
Vâng, nhà tôi lớn.
Yes, it is big. Yes, it is big. Do they have children?
Họ có con không?
Do they have children?
Do they have children?
Yes, they have children. Yes, they have children.
Yes, they has children. Yes, they has children.
Yes, they have child. Yes, they have child.
Vâng, họ có con.
Yes, they have children. Yes, they have children. What do you want to eat?
Bạn muốn ăn gì?
What do you want to eat?
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat noodles. I want to eat noodles.
I want to eat noodles. I want to eat noodles.
I want noodles eat. I want noodles eat.
Tôi muốn ăn mì.
I want to eat noodles. I want to eat noodles.
Chúng ta hãy nghe lại.
Does she like coffee? Yes, she likes coffee.
Are you busy now? Yes, I am busy.
What is he doing? He is reading.
Is your house big? Yes, it is big.
Do they have children? Yes, they have children.
What do you want to eat? I want to eat noodles.